Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
See this cop, he's of blue persuasion. He's a blue coat trader and he needs a lesson, cops. Passengers don't stick up for this man. He had everything coming to him, blue coat resistant. But I'm good and I'm feeling alright, baby. I'ma have the best freaking night of my life. Hi everyone. Here's a video from I don't know. This came off of Facebook or something like that. So I had it in my phone. I want to share it with you. This cop is a piece of shit, to put it lightly. And I guess the cop was gonna turn into a parking spot, and this Uber driver that has passengers in the car dared to honk his horn at him. And this cop became unglued because he has a God complex and he believes that people are inferior to him. And I wouldn't doubt that if that he thinks he's even better because the guy's a foreigner. Anyway, let's watch this piece of human trash treat this Uber driver like he's not human.
Understand?
Sir,
Do you understand me?
Sir, I am not saying...
Do you understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so stop it with your mouth.
Okay.
Stop it with your for what, sir? For what, sir?
Okay.
Stop it with that bullshit.
Okay.
And realize the 3 vehicle and traffic law violations you committed.
Okay.
Okay? Do you understand me?
Yes.
3 vehicle traffic citations that you committed? What?
I don't know what fucking planet you think you're on right now.
I'm not planning, sir. I'm here.
Planning? I said planet.
I say
I
I'm
said
not...
planet.
I'm not any
Sit in your
planet.
fucking car and stay there.
Sit in your fucking car and stay there. And he slams the door. What could this guy have done? The passengers say he honked a horn. But what could this guy have done that was so bad that this cop blows his lid as if he caught you sleeping with his mother or wife or something? Holy crap. And it only gets worse.
This sucks. Sorry about that. Picked the wrong guy to honk at, obviously.
Pull over 5 fucking...
You picked the wrong guy to honk at, obviously. They're apologizing. The part about this video that bothers me is that the passengers should have stuck up for this guy.
Do you understand me? Pull over.
Oh my god. I have this on video in case you want to.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so
In
much.
case you need to submit it to someone.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, send me your email. I'll send it to you.
Okay.
I'll give you my card.
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm. No, that's crazy. That's really inappropriate.
It's abuse of power, obviously.
It's crazy and abuse of power is what the passengers say. You picked the wrong guy to honk at, obviously. If I was a passenger, I'd be like, you need to calm down, dude. You need to calm down. And I would take his attention off the driver and put it on me.
Because he was there.
No, it's not your fault. Listen, it's not your fault.
Yeah.
It's... this guy's just a dick.
Yeah.
To put it mildly. I mean, you shouldn't be slamming your car. You shouldn't be slamming your car door. You shouldn't be throwing things around. He doesn't have a right to
Scream in your face like you're about to see.
open your door. Like, he's...
I don't think he could have really arrested you. I don't.
You weren't under arrest. I think he's just on a power trip right now.
Because you honked at him.
Because you honked. Because he didn't have a blinker on.
No.
I mean, if you're going to park, you're supposed to put your blinker on. That's the way this works.
That's why I'm saying.
No, I know.
Yeah, but you know,
I know.
Yeah, I would just not say anything.
Don't say anything.
Just.
You're going to be...
We know you're completely 100% in the right, and we're not going to stick up for you. Just comply, be apologetic to this psychopath. What? How American is that? That's no. First of all, it's 3-on-1. Secondly, he doesn't have a leg to stand on. He's turned into a psychopath. And because you don't resist this guy in any way, shape, or form, I know you're going to try to say take the court angle, but just taking it to court it just puts you in the system with more sovereigns that run the courts that are unaccountable. It's even worse at that level. If we could nip this shit in the bud right on the streets, excuse me, officer, the way you're treating this man is unbecoming of an officer. Calm your ass down and talk like a human being that you claim to be.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. That's it.
Now let me tell you something. The next time you do it again,
Okay.
you're getting okay, what? You gonna let me fucking finish? Stop interrupting
Wow, what a piece of garbage this guy is.
me.
Okay. Apologize. I'm sorry.
Well, who do you think you're talking to here?
I'm a sovereign citizen. I'm above you. I'm above the law. I tell you what to do. You don't fucking tell me. You understand me?
Sir, I'm not saying nothing. I said,
No, every time I open my mouth, you have something to say. When you're driving up my ass when I'm trying to park the car, and then you have to do something with your hands.
Sir, I just say,
I don't care.
So he's blaming him for driving too close now, and then throwing up his hands. That got him that offended. He had to act like a piece of shit that he's acting like now.
What you have to say.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
I understand.
People are allowed to park in this car, park their cars
okay.
on the side of the street without your interference.
Okay, sir.
And then your opinion about what's going on.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Apologize.
Especially when the person you're doing it to are the police.
Okay, sir.
Because we're your master. Look at this face. I'm your daddy. I'm your father. I'm your God. I'm everybody to you. You bow down to me. You understand me?
I apologize.
I don't know where you're coming from or where you think you're appropriate in doing that. It's not the way it works.
Okay, sir.
How long have you been in this country?
Almost 2 years.
Now he's going after the fact that he's foreign. Who the fuck are you, bro? Man, I probably would have got arrested here, man. I would have rolled the window up right in his face, first of all.
Almost how long?
2 years.
2 years. I got news for you. And use this lesson. Remember this in the future. Don't ever do that again.
Okay.
The only reason you're not in handcuffs going to jail and getting summonses in the precinct is because I have things to do.
Okay.
That's the only...
I have things to do. I have other people to fuck with. You fuck with? This guy. I mean, really, man? Who the motherfuck does this guy think he is? Who does he think he fucking is, this piece of garbage?
reason that's not happening. Because this isn't important enough for me.
Yeah, okay. You know what I mean? I'm important. I ain't got time to harass you for 10, 20 minutes, whatever it is.
You're not important enough.
Now he's diminishing him as if he's not important enough to spend any time. Like, fuck you, bro. Who the fuck are you? What have you done other than leech off the citizens your whole life? You're talking to a guy who's working and paying your salary, moron.
Don't ever do that again. Are you a fair?
Now he's trying to get the passengers to vouch for him, and when he gets a little bit of a cold reaction, he takes his disgusting flesh tic tac head out of the window.
Yes.
You're a fair.
Yes.
And this guy is taking
Yes, we're a fair and you're unfair.
time out of your day.
Oh, here we go. The rapist mentality. This guy is taking time out of your day because he forced me to act like a piece of garbage instead of just being able to say, hey, XYZ, have a nice day. You got to pull all your BS. My God. You came really freshly shaved head, ready to go. My God, what a piece of garbage. This, again, I bet you he's a high level in the police too.
Vehicle and traffic violations.
See, they're like, sure, whatever.
Can you take the plate number, please?
I have his plate.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Thanks for watching John's Coin Rings. Please join the channel for $1. I did a flashlight giveaway, like a $50 flashlight giveaway the other day, and you had a 1 in 8 chance because I only have 8 channel members right now. So you want cool stuff? I'm going to do giveaways. I'm going to do members only videos. I was thinking about making this one a members only video, but I don't know. This guy, the whole world needs to see this guy. So thanks for watching. Peace, tranquility. Take it easy. Peace.